Marco, Nightwing?
Yeah, bro. There have definitely been examples where he has leaned into being like not necessarily the authority figure, but wanting to do good, but through legit means. Even the most recent arc, like he's trying to side with, was it the police commissioner who happens to be his like sister or something, to be able to work more closely with them because he wants a more fair justice, because he doesn't necessarily agree that his version of it is the ideal way.
That also doesn't mean he's going to drop his identity because somebody asked him to.
Why not? Like, if he's willing to go through
because he swore on a Bible in a cave with a candle and made a promise as an 8-year-old. What the fuck? And he based his whole life around it. What the fuck do you mean?
He can't fucking change, dude.
What do you mean?
Anyone
70 years of this character.
That why not?
What do you mean?
Anyone raised by Bruce Wayne is anti-Reg. That's why I think Damian and Batwoman are like the outliers.